Today's session we are going to see about the part 2 video for the record storage and primary file organization, in which we are going to cover the topic storage of databases. How long a data will be stored in a storage? There are two types of databases. The first one is permanent database and the second one is transient database. In permanent database, the content will be stored permanent, but in the case of transient database, data persists only a limited period of time. So you will be having the content only for a particular time period. So these are the two different databases. And volatile storage and non-volatile storage. There are two different types of storages also. They are volatile and non-volatile. What is volatile? Whenever the power gets shut down or power gets off, the content remains in the memory, gets lost. But in the case of non-volatile, it remains as it is in the memory. The example for non-volatile storage is secondary or tertiary memory, and for the volatile storage is main memory or cache memory. The offline methodology is data stored on the tapes is offline, which has to be loaded first before the data becomes visible. That is why it is called as offline storage. What is online storage then? Disk or online storage, access directly at any time. This is what called as online storage. And organization of data on disk. How will data get organized in disk? The data get organized as files or record. We know all about files. Then what is record? A record is a collection of data which are interpreted as facts. How the facts are arranged? The facts are arranged in the form of entities, attributes, and their relationship. The primary file organization defines how the records of a file are physically placed on the disk and how it can be accessed. This is the content that has been defined in the primary file organization. There are three methods to arrange the file: heap file, sorted file, hashed file. Heap file or unordered files, you will be just like that, appending the content or new records at the end of the file. But in sorted file, you will be sequentially sorting the content or the record and keeps track of the record every time when we are updating it. Hashed file. Hash key or hash function is used to generate a hash key. That hash key is used to determine where the record has to be placed from where the record has to be retrieved. The secondary storage organization are also called as auxiliary access structure, which allows efficient access to the records or files. That's it about the second storage of databases, which is part 2 of record storage and primary file organization. Thank you so much.